Hey guys, this is Farhan and I'm gonna demonstrate to you my project called the Jumble words. So here I am at the desktop. I'm gonna open Python coding and we must ensure that these three files, the ones which I have highlighted, are in the same directory. That could be any directory. So I'm gonna open the Python console called the integrated development environment. I'm gonna open my file. I'm gonna search for it, browse for it. It's in the desktop, the folder Python coding, and the game finale file has to be run. This is the source code for the file. I'll just scroll through it. You can see it. It's what drives the game. It's the game running code actually. So without much ado, we'll just run this. Run module, or you can press F5 as a shortcut key. So it asks for the name of the players. Player 1, Farhan. Player 2, Manish. Sorry, I got the E wrong. Okay, Manish. How many rounds? 3 rounds would be nice. Okay, 3 rounds. So it's my turn right now. You can see the Jumble word is there. I guess it's hibernation. Yeah. So I'll guess first. You can see that the letters are very jumbled. It gets sometimes really tough to guess. I've been playing this for hours. Okay, so we press 1 to continue. Then it says Manish's turn. What's your guess? Now this one is really tough. No, it's not that tough. Champions, I guess. Yes, champions 2, I guess. Yeah, it's an easy one. Okay, I want to continue. I'll press 1. Okay, my turn. I don't know what word this is, though it's an how one. So you can see the power of randomness. You can see that it's very random. What am I entering? I'm entering. Let's give it a guess. Let's see what happens if we say the wrong ones. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's wrong. So it gives us 3 attempts. Okay. For every word we enter, it gives us 3 attempts. I'll give anything A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. I don't know the correct answer for this. Cheater, oh god. That was the easy one. Okay, I'll enter 1. Continue. It's a new one. It's again a tough one. You cannot say that it's tough or easy because it completely depends on your comprehension, your vocabulary. This one is a tough one though, because I can't get it. This is really fun though. This game is really fun. There's no pattern to what would come because it's completely random. It's a random choice. It's unpredictable. I don't know this. I guess it's something. Let's just skip this one. A B C D A B C D A B C D. Okay, let's find it. Anything. Oh, dramatic! How dramatic can that answer be? God. I'll continue. This one is a short one. I think it's hijack. I think I'll go with hijack. Yeah. It's easy. So it's completely random. Through the dictionary, it picks out a word, it jumbles it and throws at you. Tough one. No, it's not. It's rumble. Yeah. It's rumble. It's easy. Okay, so it says 2-2. It's a draw. We are on the same level of genius. Okay, maybe Manish, you got that right. So in the next video, I'm gonna tell you how to add some new words to it. It has a never-exhausting dictionary. So let's create some words. Add some words to the file. Thank you for watching.